In front of me is a Nokia 3.1 and today I will show you how to change date and time on this device. So, jumping straight to it, go into settings, and I'm doing it by the notification here, pulling it twice, and you have the little gear icon. So you can tap on it to jump into settings. From here, we'll look for time and date, which I think it's actually in settings. Yep. Or system, I meant to say. And as you can see, date and time right here. And from here, you can, well, to change it, you will actually need to disable the automatic one to turn off. And now you can change the date and time. So you can tap on it, select it, and choose whatever date you want. So we can select 24th, and then time from, let's say, 14:55 or 2:55, say 3. And you can also change the minutes. Tap on OK. And now, as you can see, immediately it has been changed on the top right there. So that's how you change it. I'm gonna turn it back on. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.